Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Let's celebrate something awesome. Y'all stay tuned. So today is going to be a non-tutorial day, and for a very good reason. Today, the Posh Paper Lady on YouTube is 1 year old. On October 17th, 2018, I uploaded my very first ever YouTube tutorial. I joined YouTube on October 4th, but I didn't upload a tutorial until October 17th. And since that time, wow, man, things have really changed. And as I talk just a little bit, please indulge me this moment, because I just think that it's so important that I say a few things and I share a few things, because this has been an amazing ride for me. And while I talk, I am going to run a slideshow because I want you guys to see some of the amazing crafts we've made over this 1 year period. So I'm going to give you a quick backstory on how I came to be on YouTube. Many years ago, I wanted to join YouTube. I wanted to do 3D paper crafting on YouTube. And I talked myself out of it. I let self-doubt creep in and convince me that no one wanted to do my style of crafting. It took too long. There were many steps. There were materials that aren't common to paper crafting as it was known at the time. And so no one was going to embrace it. And that's self-doubt. And I let self-doubt win. And then I overcame that self-doubt. I participated in a Halloween loaded envelope swap, and that swap was so well received that I was asked to do a tutorial, not only on the envelope, but on the packaging that I used to ship it. So I sucked it up, opened a channel, and I uploaded that very first video. Proud of the item that I made in the video, but guys, I was nervous as all get out. I was shaky. I was just so nervous. And even when I look at that video today, it's hard for me to look at it because I can see all of the imperfections. I can see just how it's not where I am today, but that's what growth is all about. So I started here and then I moved forward. I got beyond all of that self-doubt that was holding me back. And I will tell you, the response to the video and then the videos that I did in the week afterwards was just overwhelming. No, I didn't have a lot of subscribers, but the ones that I did, the feedback was just so incredible. And that kept me going because I realized that, yeah, people are interested in the way that I craft. People are interested in learning the true fundamentals of paper crafting, the true basics of the art. And I am proud to be able to walk you guys through a process. I am proud to be able to share techniques and what I know with you guys. I have been paper crafting for over 30 years, and to be able to share what I know with a newbie or an experienced crafter and have them be so proud of what they've created just really warms and touches my heart. The comments that you guys leave me, man, I can just tell you that there are times that I read those comments and I'm like, my God, are they talking about me? Are they talking to me? It just means so much when you guys show me that level of love and trust. The fact that you give me 15 to 30 minutes of your time every day. You trust me with your time. That just means the world to me. And because you trust me with your time, I am going to deliver on that trust. I am not going to waste your time with a lot of mindless chatter. I am not going to waste your time with crafting that's not going to help you grow. I am going to enrich your crafting experience. I am going to show you guys new techniques, new ways of doing things, new materials that you never thought of working with. That's what I'm all about. I am all about uplifting and enriching anyone who is interested in learning this fabulous craft that we all enjoy. So, guys, I am seeing some incredible growth on the channel, and it is because you guys are spreading the word. People are finding out. YouTube is pushing videos. That means that there is truly a hunger and a need for the type of crafting that I'm doing. So that old self-doubt that I had way back, and you know what? I should have swept that self-doubt under the rug. But I cannot dwell on the past, and I won't dwell on the past. I'm here now. You guys knew exactly where to find me. And that was said to me a while back, that if they want to see you, they know where to find you. And y'all found me. Over 26,800 of you have found me so far. And that is just amazing. I never thought that I would be where I am right now on YouTube after 1 year. I thought maybe 5,000, 6,000 in a year. Because back in June and July, I was struggling just to get 2,000. And that was my goal, to get 2,000 by the end of June 2019. Fast forward just a few months, and here we are at over 26,800. Seriously, I would have been surprised and impressed if I had 10,000 at a year and a half. But at 1 year, this is where we are. And it's all down to you guys. It's all down to you guys appreciating what I do and willing to hit that subscribe button and give me your time. And I truly do appreciate that. A couple of reasons why I'm extremely proud of this channel. I am proud of the quality and the innovative crafting that takes place on this channel. I am a different kind of crafter. I have never been one to follow the norms. My style of crafting is not only to create something beautiful, but something that's functional and something that's made to last. And that is one of the reasons why you guys see me using so many different materials that are not the norm on YouTube. That's just a fact. Chipboard, metal feet, magnetic purse closures, key ring, purse handles, drawer pulls, crystal knobs. All of those things were not the norm before I joined YouTube. And now they're becoming more commonplace. And truly, that's the type of crafter I am. I am never going to follow the norms. No, no, no. My goal is to become the norm. I want to take the simple out of paper crafting and elevate it. That's my goal. And I think that you guys are getting it. We next level on this channel. We look at the basic and we ask, how can we make it beyond basic? And then the second reason why I am so proud of this channel is because of how positive we are on the channel. And guys, we all have stresses in life. We all have health issues. We all have emotional issues. We all have things that interfere with our happiness throughout the day. But I'm going to share a little something with you about me and paper crafting. No matter what's going on in my life, I don't care how bad it gets. If I can find a few minutes to craft, I am truly transported to a place of absolute happiness. This is my safety zone. This is where I come when I need to escape anything that is going to bring me down, depress me, hurt me, whatever. I craft, and I love to craft. And when I'm crafting on the channel, I hope that I'm able to do that with you guys. I hope that if something isn't going right in your life or you're having an ache or a pain, you can craft that away for 15 to 30 minutes a day. And that's what I want this channel to be. I want it to be an escape from all of those things in life that really don't serve us well. And that's why you don't hear me talking about it on the channel, because that's not what I want. I want us to always be in a positive frame of mind when we start crafting and when we finish. And then, because we finish in such a high spirit and we love the craft and we love what we've just made, that affects the rest of your day. Even if something isn't going great, you have that moment of, oh my gosh, I can't believe I just made that beautiful box. And that makes you feel good. So if I can accomplish that, then it's been a good day for me. And if you feel it, that's a good thing. That means that this past year has been worth everything. It hasn't always been great on the channel. Of course, you run into negativity as you grow or as you have to confront bad behavior that takes place on the channel. It's not always a great day. But when I start crafting, it is. When I start tutorialing, it is. So when I read those comments, you guys help me just as much as you think I'm helping you. And this past year has been a phenomenal ride. It has been amazing. And I don't know how to say it any plainer than I'm saying it. I appreciate each and every one of you. I am just honored and humbled that you guys spend your time with me. There are so many other things that you can be doing, but you spend your time with me and we get to do some amazing crafting and we get to make some amazing projects. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this chat. It's not something that I normally do, but I did want to do just a quick recap of the year, and I wanted to take a moment to just acknowledge what y'all mean to the channel. This isn't just about me. It's a collaboration. It's a friendship. It's a community. It's a family. This is not just about me. So I appreciate everyone who has supported me. Thank you guys so much. Hang in there with me. The snowmen are coming back tomorrow. We have got some amazing crafting coming up. Y'all have a wonderful day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.